Today's math lesson is lesson 15. We are multiplying non-unit fractions by non-unit fractions. I'm going to do a word problem from their homework, number 5. It has 2 parts. The problem reads, Rose bought some spinach. She used 3/5 of the spinach on a pan of spinach pie for a party, and 3/4 of the remaining spinach for a pan for her family. So if she used 3/5 to make the spinach pie, that means there's 2/5 left. And the problem asks for 3/4 of the remaining spinach. So that's a fraction of problem. So you have to do 2/5 times 3/4. Which if you did top times top, bottom times bottom, you'd get 6/20. If you reduced that or simplified it, you would get 3/10. So for her family, the remaining of it, 3/4 of the remaining for the family was 3/10. Question A asks, what fraction of the spinach did she use to make the salad? Well, if she used 3/10 for her family and 3/5 for her pan of spinach, how are you going to figure out the salad? So what you have to do is take the 3/10 for the family and add it to the 3/5 for the spinach pie. And last unit we learned that you can't add those fractions until you change this one to have the same denominator as the other one and do the top-bottom rule. So now I have 3/10 for the 3/10 for the family, 6/10 for the spinach pie. Add those together and you get 9/10. And what's left for the salad? Well, that's easy. You just take all the spinach, what you used, and what's left for the salad. The answer to 5A is 1/10. 5B says, if Rose used 3 pounds of spinach to make the pan of spinach pie for the party, how many pounds of spinach did Rose use to make the salad? So for 5B, it's another fraction of problem. We take the 1/10 that we have for salad, and we do a fraction of problems with the 3 pounds. And then we do top times top, bottom times bottom. And how many pounds of spinach did Rose use to make the salad? Well, only 3/10 of a pound.